Many of us believe that remembering everything from the past, every joy, every sorrow, every wound, every triumph makes us stronger. That holding on to memories is what shapes us, defines us, protects us. But what if I told you that carrying everything with you isn't wisdom? What if the weight of your memories is the very thing crushing your ability to truly live? This story is like looking into a mirror. And by the end, I want you to ask yourself one honest question. Am I living in the present, or am I still dying in the past? Once upon a time, deep in a lush forest, there lived a bird. This bird was beautiful, sweet voice, vibrant feathers full of life. But recently, it had started doing something strange, something that would eventually destroy it. Every single day, whatever the bird saw, heard, or felt, good or bad, joyful or painful, it would write those experiences on small stones. Then it would carefully place those stones in a little pouch, tied around its body, and fly away. Happy memories. Written down and stored, painful moments, recorded and kept. The bird believed every single moment was worth remembering forever. At first, it felt meaningful, even empowering. Good memories should be preserved, the bird thought. Such beautiful moments might never come again, and the painful ones, those teach me lessons. I need to remember so I'm never hurt that way again. In the beginning, it was almost fun. Every evening, the bird would reflect on its day, pick out a stone, and etch its experience onto it. The pouch filled slowly. Flying was still easy. Life still felt light. But habits have a way of growing when you're not paying attention. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. New stones piled on top of old ones. The pouch grew fuller, heavier, but the bird couldn't stop. By now, this wasn't just a habitat, it was an identity. This pouch is my life, the bird would say proudly. Everything I am is in here, but flying. Flying wasn't fun anymore. The bird couldn't soar as high, couldn't move as fast. Its wings strained with every flap. What used to be effortless now required all its energy just to stay airborne. Still, the bird refused to let go. Someday, it told itself, all these memories will be useful. This is my treasure. This is who I am. One afternoon, while struggling to fly through the trees, the bird encountered an old wise owl perched on a branch. The owl's eyes were ancient, knowing, and sad. "Little bird," the owl called out gently, "why are you carrying that pouch?" The bird landed, exhausted, and smiled with pride. "This pouch holds everything from my life, every joy, every sorrow, every lesson from my past. It's all here. I am my memories." The owl tilted its head, studying the tired creature before him. Then, with a voice that cut through the bird's pride like a knife, he asked, "Then, are you even alive in the present? Or are you just a ghost flying with the weight of yesterday's corpse?" The bird blinked, confused, almost offended. Without another word, it flew away, or tried to. The flight was slower, more painful than ever before. The owl's words echoed in its mind, but the bird pushed him away. "He doesn't understand. These memories are important. They're mine." Weeks crawled by. The pouch was now so full that stones spilled out occasionally. The bird could barely lift itself off the ground anymore. Its wings ached constantly. Its body trembled under the weight. But still, it clung to the pouch like a drowning person clings to an anchor, not realizing the very thing they're holding is pulling them under. Then came the rainy day. Dark clouds rolled in. Rain poured down in sheets. The bird, now too weak to fly, tried desperately to walk forward through the mud. Just walk, just survive. But with each step, the pouch dragged behind, heavier and heavier as the rain soaked into the stones. The bird's legs buckled. It slipped. The weight of all those memories, every joy it refused to release, every pain it couldn't forgive crushed its fragile body into the mud. It lay there, motionless, buried under the very thing it thought was keeping it alive. When the rain finally stopped, other birds flew by. They chirped, curious about the still form on the ground, but the little bird was already gone. Soon, the old owl arrived. He looked down at the lifeless creature, at the pouch still clutched tightly, and whispered with deep sorrow in his voice, "Memories are meant to guide us, not to weigh us down. You were never meant to carry them all. This isn't just a story about a bird. This is a story about you, about me, about all of us who collect memories like currency, believing that holding on to everything makes us richer, wiser, stronger. But it doesn't. It makes us prisoners. We carry past heartbreaks like badges of honor. We replay old victories to feel relevant. We nurse grudges that happened years ago. We hold on to pain because letting go feels like forgetting, and forgetting feels like losing a part of ourselves. But here's the truth that will either free you or break you. You cannot fly forward while carrying the entire weight of your past. Good memories and bad memories both can trap you. Happy nostalgia can keep you from creating new joy. Old pain can poison new relationships. Past success can make you terrified of trying again because you fear you won't measure up to who you once were. Just like that bird, Many of us are dying under the weight of what we refuse to release. We tell ourselves we're being sentimental, being thoughtful, being cautious, but really, we're just too scared to live in the present. Because living in the present is terrifying. It means accepting that the past is gone, that those moments good and bad are over, that you can't control them, fix them, or relive them. But here's what you can control. Today, right now, this moment. You can't bring back what you've lost. You can't undo the mistakes. You can't relive the glory days. But you can make today beautiful. You can choose right now to put down the pouch. So let me ask you, what are you carrying that's crushing you? What memory, what pain, what grudge, what old version of yourself are you dragging around that's keeping you from flying? Is it a relationship that ended years ago but still plays in your mind like a broken record? Is it a mistake you made that you punish yourself for every single day? Is it past success that you compare everything to, making your present feel like a failure? Whatever it is, it's time. It's time to let go. Forgive, not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace. Forget, not because it didn't matter, but because remembering it is killing you. Move forward, not because the past wasn't important, but because your future is waiting and it won't wait forever. Try new experiences. Do something today that scares you a little. Build something meaningful with the time you have left. Feel something new instead of rehearsing what you felt before. Take fresh steps. Live with a peaceful heart. Because you cannot change yesterday no matter how many times you replay it. But you can absolutely shape today. The bird died under the weight of its memories. Don't let that be your story. If this message hit you somewhere deep, if you know someone who's still carrying their pouch and slowly dying under it, share this video. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel because I'll be back with another story that might just save your life. Until then, be patient with yourself, stay grateful for what's here now, and keep moving forward, not dragging the past behind you, but walking freely into your future. Put down the pouch and fly.